Okay, this is Brandon Rapola with Fairchild Protective Coatings. We are here at International Paper getting ready to put in Alpha Armor by GST Technologies. Material stage, our mixers are staged, and floor is now, we have grades, elevation grades for our floor. We'd already done this on Friday. I was up here, or Thursday, doing this small little rat slab. They've, O&S have done the demolition and prep. We've done the priming, setting elevations. We're gonna first do the initial fill-in of this demoed out area, and tomorrow we'll come out and give the finish top to the whole thing at the given elevations. As you see, we are primed with the polymer emulsifying primer, and then we'll put, like I said, we'll put our base coat down. We have Jesse Buckles and Robert Stoggsville. This is Fairchild Protective Coatings.